I don't want to be like too grandiose here, but the reason that what I do is important is it really helps us have compassion for other people. So let me explain that. So one of the things that I do is I look to see how inherited differences, so things that you're born with, right, in your genes, influence your sense of taste. And what that can mean is that it drives what people like or don't like when it comes to food. Now, I think probably everybody has had the experience of providing food to somebody. You've cooked a dinner for somebody, you've taken them out for a meal, it's a family dinner, you made something special, all those circumstances, and the person doesn't like what you've prepared, right? So why is that? So many times, I think something's amazing and the next person next to me thinks it's terrible. And so one of the things I try very hard to understand is what are the origins of those person-to-person differences? And I think it's very important to understand why this is the case in many contexts. So it drives the kinds of foods that people make. So we sort of are always inclined to the lowest common denominator. I don't know about you, but I go to a million dinners where people serve pizza, right? Because it seems like the majority of people like pizza. And so when we're thinking about why individual people are different one from another, when we understand those deep and underlying differences, it helps us supply food to people in a more efficient way. One of the things I dream about is having what I call the genotype restaurant, whereas we looked at your genetic composition of your taste buds and we predict what you are going to love or not love to eat. So those are the type of questions that really interest me.